what's up, all you classic car lovers? Look at this 1965 Rambler. Ooh. Look, different kind of fish right here. Automatic, nice wheels. Look at that. Cool, right? Back in 65, just like the Barracuda right here. Look at this bad boy right here. Holy smokes. A 62 Comet. Wow, look at that. Awesome. Holy smokes. Remember this, the Aspen. Aspen, man. I haven't seen one of these. He got that patina thing going on. Look at that. 1976 Aspen wagon with a surfboard. Wow. What do we got here? Gremlin. Man, this is the coolest row ever, man. Jesus. Look at that. Look at this cool bike right here. What's this? A Ford? A Ford what? A 6500 or something? Man, look at this bad boy. We're doing bike show and car show, patina style. What do we got in here? Wow, rat rod style inside there. Oh, look at this. Like a 55 Chevy. Uh-oh. Looks like a racer. Looks like a real race car. Dang, look at all those NOS lines. What year big is this? Like 72 or something like that? There's the driver right there, if you know what I mean. Oh, look at this spoiler. It's clear. Love it. Absolutely love it. He's got a tag, so he's going to go with the Pro Street. Wow. A big motor right there. Big cleaners. It's a bad boy. This will go pull wheelies. How about this? Wow. This is the windshield I need right here. Look at that. It's got the air ride. Got a little toolbox. Got some tile thing going on. Drop. Oh, look at that. All graffitied out. How cool is that? Mickey Mouse.
I always wanted to notice these cars. Those cars are almost flattened out.
Wow.
So when I raise it up, it comes up a little straight. Yeah. No, but I literally see them riding on the road.
Who don't love a Volkswagen Bug? Everybody loves a Bug. That's why I'm building a Bug this week right here. Hey, look at this. You ever seen this before? This is like a 65 Mustang. What year is it? Oh, 69? What? 69 Mustang with a bed on the back. Have you ever seen anything that cool? Automatic. That's custom right there. Ranchero, he's got the Ranchero badge on there. Wow. That's kind of freaky. 289. That's the coolest ride ever. Holy smokes. We got a 68 Camaro with a 454. That's a whole lot of motor. Look how big that thing is. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 4-speed too, right? Oh, dude. This thing can lay rubber all day long. All day long. It's amazing he got any rubber on his tires. Well, we got old school 5-window. Wow. 1929 5-window. Look at that. That thing is so cool. Love the 5-window. What do we got here? Corvair? Corvair. See, 3 things God cannot do. Okay. All right. I want to see 3 things that God cannot do. God cannot lie.
His word is the truth forever and ever.
God cannot change.
He's consistent forever and ever. And God cannot let anyone into heaven unless they've been born again. As Have you accepted Christ as your personal Lord and Savior?
Oh yeah.
Absolutely. Look at this bad boy right here. A 68 Cadillac. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. All right, I see Knight Rider over there. Whoa, look at this. What's going on here? Gotta be a Ford. A Ford F100 with a woody back and some wood barrels with a Cleveland. So I guess it's a 351. Got a Lake Mirror Classic inside here. Got some Corvette. Uh-oh. Kid's talking.
I am the voice of my Industry 2000's microprocessor. KITT for easy reference. The kit if you prefer. How much longer will we be staying here? Nobody asked you.
It wouldn't be Kit unless you got the Knight Industries. And look at that thing.
Just ask me. I know exactly who I am.
That's great. IROC style 91. Let me guess. 91. Ooh, I am good. I used to sell these back in 91. I used to have one as a demo. Look at that bad boy. Managers only. Managers only demo. How's this little samurai? Cool little samurai. There's a GTO with a nice board. Nice motor. Wow. Super nice interior. 4-speed. Nice paint. Wow. What do we got here? Oh, we got like a 55? Yeah. What's going on there with a 655 with a 150, 55 in a teal with a bullet hole. Nice. All right, let's go look at the C1 over here. Always got to look at a C1. What do you got here? 58, 62. Oh, gorgeous. Look at that interior. Wow. Nice ride.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Look at all the pinstriping. Gorgeous. Even got the rack over here, the Stingray rack. Nice fatty fats. Looks like you got the CD player going on in there. Look. 62. Wildwood brakes. Nice motor. Ah, look at that. Look at it over here. Say hi. Everybody say hi. Look at those gorgeous eyes, huh? Yeah. That's a car dog right there.
That's right.
Look at this F100. Wow. 57. Got double headlights. I thought that thing came out with 58 double headlights. Oh, look at this gorgeous Mustang. Small block. Probably a 302, 1968. Matching interior. 405 speed. Wow. Driver. So you got all the custom rides over there. Look at that yellow thing right there. It's got the bug truck. Got Corvette C3, 3-door. 33. Whoa, what is this? 56, 57. Wow, look at that paint.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta show you this interior. This thing is gorgeous. Look at that pillow. Or blanket, embroidered. Old school air conditioning. Great color. Wow. You're a tri-fi lover, you'd be drooling over this bad boy. Another 57. Man, this must be the 57 row right here, right? Black. There's another 57 with red lights under the hood. Wow.
Appreciate it very much.
Red top battery, red air cleaner, small block. Super nice. 57 Bel Air, right? 57 Bel Air. And what do we got over here? A Buick Skylark. Looks like a 65. Wow. You don't see this car too often, right? You don't see it at all. Let's see. Oh, beautiful. This worth looking in this trunk. Look how big that trunk is. Wow.
Also, all veterans.
Okay, we're moving on. See you on the next car roll.